Hi everyone, welcome back to the third episode of our YouTube series, The Basics of Short-Term Insurance. I'm Isak from Glenwood Brokers, and today I'll be taking you through one of the most misunderstood type of cover in short-term insurance, liability cover. This is the type of cover that protects you when you're held responsible for someone else's loss, whether it's damage to their property or an injury you accidentally caused. Let's start with the basics. Liability insurance protects you financially if you're found legally responsible for damage or injury to another person. In simple terms, if it's your fault and somebody else suffered a loss, your insurer steps in to pay instead of that money coming out of your pocket. Liability cover doesn't pay you, it pays the other person that you accidentally harmed or caused a loss to. Let's make this real with a few examples. Example 1, car accident. You accidentally bump into another car at a traffic light. The other car's bumper is damaged. Your third party liability cover under your car insurance will pay for the repairs to their vehicle. Example 2, property damage. Imagine your geyser bursts and floods your downstairs neighbor's apartment. Your homeowner's liability section can cover their damage. Example 3, injury to someone else. Or maybe your dog escapes and bites a passerby, or someone slips on your wet driveway. If they claim against you for medical expenses, personal liability insurance can help protect you financially. These are the kinds of everyday accidents where liability cover becomes your financial lifesaver. Now, why do I call liability cover one of the most important parts of short term insurance? Because liability claims can be very expensive, sometimes even running into hundreds of thousands or millions of rands. Without this cover, you could be personally responsible for paying that money out of your own pocket. Most people can handle a small repair bill, but not a lawsuit or medical claims that runs into 6 or 7 figures. That's where liability insurance steps in. It protects your financial future. Depending on your policy, you might have different types of liability cover. Third party liability, part of your vehicle insurance. Personal liability, included in your household content or homeowner's policy. Business liability, if you own a business, this protects you against claims from clients, suppliers, or the public. Each of these covers a different situation, but they all serve one purpose: to protect you when someone else suffers a loss because of your actions or negligence. Here are two key tips to remember. 1. Always check your liability limits. Make sure your policy covers a realistic amount, especially if you own property or run a business. 2. Don't underestimate it. Liability cover isn't flashy, but it's often the thing that saves people from serious financial trouble. So, next time you review your policy, don't just focus on your car or your house. Make sure your liability cover is strong too. If you found this video helpful, like, give us a subscribe, and follow Glenwood Brokers for more easy insurance insights that help you stay covered and confident. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next episode.